was gonna do a whole big before and after home office remodel reveal, but I can't because the second I finished working on the damn thing, I had to get back into it to keep working. Why? Taxes. That's why. Instead, you're gonna get a little bit of a tour, but more importantly, you're going to get a lesser known Casey Roman home office remodel pro tip, specifically why everyone should have 2 home offices. Here's what happened. After years of using my dining room table, after crunching over the table to use that as my home office, I decided to take this sterile, basic box of an extra bedroom and turn it into this. I watched the movie Wicked. And I got a little out of control. Take a message back from me. Welcome to Emerald City, my tabernacle of doom. Dark, unapproachable, very on brand. It comes with its own emotional support animal, Grumpy Cat. Obligatory workplace motivational posters. One moment, I have to block out some of these words because some of you are fragile. This is an actual quote from a former real estate manager of mine, and this is the only thing he ever said that I found meaning in. Very helpful in business. There is the decorative office cello. I do in fact know how to play that. Not well, so its highest and best use is to stay over there and keep that corner gloomy. There is the mandatory office Bible and direct line to the Holy Ghost, who has to call throughout the day and remind me that telling people to drink bleach and die in a fire is not actually what Jesus would do. Behold the office fainting chair. I throw myself in that violently every time someone says something brilliant, like, let's price the house high and then we'll have room to negotiate. As such, one of the legs on that is now loose. The only thing left unresolved is this space. This needs something. Now, the obvious choice is to take my brokerage logo and slap it up there, but perhaps the better choice is this. I designed this week. I just need to order it, and I feel like this is also very on brand. But here is your lesser known home office remodeling tip. Why everyone needs 2 home offices. Here in Emerald City, this is where I do all my contract negotiations, all my real estate work. I send very nasty emails to people in here. I do my taxes in here. As such, the vibe matches the task at hand. Down the hall, in that room where Glenda sleeps, in there is my writing desk, my second home office. Yes, I write a lot of handwritten letters. I enjoy it. It is all written on my equally dark stationery. The cardstock inside is ivory. Calm down. If you've never received a Casey Roman handwritten letter, then I guess you haven't. The reason why you need 2 home offices is because you don't want to concentrate all of your workplace-related depression in one room of the house. That is very hard on an HVAC system, and it makes it very difficult in the future to sage the house and rid it of all its bad juju. I can prove that. When I show historic homes and we're walking through the house, at some point we'll walk into a room and someone will go, oh my, did you feel that? Did you feel the change in temperature? That shift in energy in this room? Something happened in this room. And then they will want you to go research the entire history and owner lineage of that house and find out what heinous atrocity occurred in that room that is the reason for that heavy presence that they just felt. And I have to explain to them, I said, listen, Melissa, come closer. Wilmington is not a hotbed of homicide. So I can't guarantee, but I am almost certain that no ye old little Victorian girl had a tragic death in here. This place is not haunted. No. That heavy sense of doom that you feel in this room is because this was probably their office. Now let's go see the kitchen.